Good afternoon, our dear students. This is Musasizi Stephen, going to hand you this time in mathematics, and the topic is transformation, matrices of transformation. So what is transformation? Transformation is defined in many terms. However, I have a few ways of defining it. So it means just a change. You can say it is a change in position or direction of a point, line, or shape of an object. Objects include triangles, quadrilaterals, and among quadrilaterals you have squares, rectangles, rhombuses, etc. Another way of defining a transformation is by saying it is where a point or line or shape in the Cartesian plane, that is xy, undergoes an operation like sliding, turning, stretching, or reflection. In this way, therefore, one can find the image position of any point or object one would like to consider. So I want us to start with transformation of a point. Consider a matrix M given by ABCD and a point P, XY. Then we say that matrix M transforms the point P onto P prime. So to get P prime, you get the matrix, which is ABCD, multiplied by the object. That's now P, XY. But write P in column form, not in coordinate form as it appears in the question. So at the end of it all, you are going to get P prime as AX plus BY, then CX plus BY. I hope you know how to multiply matrices. It is row by column. It is A times X, which is AX, plus B times Y, and you get BY. Then when you move down to BC times X, which is CX, plus D times Y, gives us DY. So remember, you have to put it in coordinate form. So P prime becomes AX plus BY, comma, CX plus DY. So let's cite an example here. The example says, if M is the matrix of transformation such that M is 2, 1, 0, 3, and K is the point 2, 4, find the image of K under M. I want us to find the image of K under this matrix M. So solution is, I was trying to give you a way of memorizing this by using what we call Moi. Moi, we remember, was one of the presidents of Kenya, and M is not standing for any other thing but matrix, then multiplied by object, and we end up with the image. So M is for matrix, O is for the object, and I the image. So that should be the order. So the matrix is 2, 1, 0, 3, multiplied by the object, which is 2, 4, in column form. You get 2 times 2 plus 1 times 4. Down we have 0 times 2 plus 3 times 4. I hope you know how to multiply matrices. So 2 times 2 you get 4. 1 times 4 is 4. That's now 4 plus 4. And then 0 plus 12. So you get 8, 12. But that's not a coordinate. That's a column vector. So you have to convert it to a coordinate format, which is K prime giving us 8, 12. I never write k equals. That's not allowed. It should be k prime brackets 8, 12. So that is the answer for that question, the example 1. So let's look at example 2, which says that find the image of point n, -1, -3, under transformation z, 1, -2, 0, 3. So I hope you know what you are going to do. It's like what you have just done. So remember to organize these matrices in a form of MOI, matrix times object equals image. So what's the matrix? The matrix is 1, -2, 0, 3. We are multiplying it by the object. This time the object is -1, -3, but remember to convert it to column vector. So 1 times -1 plus -2 times -3. Then down we have a 0 times -1 plus 3 times -3. So the answer for 1 times -1 is -1. Then negative times -3 is 6. So -1 plus 6. Then 0 plus -9. So at the end of it all, you are getting n prime. In the column form is 5, -9. But remember, we want the image. So write it as a coordinate form, only in the point form, which is now going to be 5, -9. And that's the image of this point n. So this is a simple activity which I would like to try, and it's a matter of following what I've just talked about. Follow the 2 examples above. The activity is clear. You have been given a matrix, and I want you to find the image points for each of them. That is the A, B, C, and D. So I want to thank you for your kind attention, and I request you to get numbers from your booklet. There are quite many numbers, so don't end on these 2 examples. You get to find other numbers for practice. So for now, I would like to end there, and I thank you very much for listening. In case of any information, maybe link with us with our website. You already know. Thank you very much. Nice time.